Okay, so let's talk about our work this week for United States history. So for Monday, I want you to watch The Gilded Age Part 1 and Part 2. It's on Edpuzzle. And as always, if for some reason you can't find the Edpuzzle videos, please email me and let me know. Sometimes the YouTube takes the video down and I have to find a replacement video. But hopefully this will still be up there for you guys because they're great videos that really get at the heart of what the Gilded Age was all about. On Tuesday, I want you to watch the Edpuzzles, Life as a Factory Worker, and Mass Culture in the Gilded Age. So these videos that I'm posting for you give you the information that's in your book, but it's giving it you in a more accessible way because we have information presented in a new way, and some of us just like videos better than reading. So we're learning about the Gilded Age this week through videos mostly. So on Wednesday, I want you to watch Reforming the Gilded Age on Edpuzzle, but you have a little reading as well. I want you to read pages 316 to 323 and complete the section review on page 323. Your reading has to do a lot with what Christianity was like during the Golden Age, and I couldn't really find a video about that, so that's why you have to read about it. On Thursday, the 11th, I want you to watch a video that I posted to Edpuzzle called Capitalism versus Socialism, and Dave Ramsey, who's a Christian, talks a lot about why capitalism is actually better than socialism. And the reason that I want you to watch this is because socialism was very alluring to the people of the Gilded Age because of the disparity that they saw in culture. They saw there being very wealthy people, and then they saw very poor people, and they thought, well, socialism would be the way to rectify or fix this problem. But of course, socialism is actually one step away from communism and is not ever going to help a society. If you look at countries in Europe that have adopted socialism, they have very poor economies. So Dave Ramsey talks about why capitalism is actually better than socialism and why capitalism is the best system for a country. But I want you guys to watch that because a lot of our society, a lot of the educational systems are trying to convince young people that socialism is good when it's actually not. So I want you to know why it's not. So after that, I want you to write a reflection. After watching this video, I want you to write a reflection of about 10 sentences on why socialism would not have helped the difficulties of the Gilded Age. And if you have any trouble with that, please feel free to email me and I will help you. And then on Friday the 12th, I want you to read pages 324 to 325. It's very light reading. And then complete the section review on page 325. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.